Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 photos disappearing issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and then open gallery. Now go to the storage of gallery and then clear the app data and cache memory of gallery. And after that, go back to your home screen and open My Files. And after that, click on this three dot option icon and then click on Settings. After that, turn on Show Hidden System Files button. If you have turned off, then turn it on.